Welcome to the VIDEX B2B platform. Are you interested in displays or single product? Which assortment is relevant for you? Winter protection, for example? What type and size of display are you looking for? Practical filter functions simplify the search. You found the perfect display? Then you can view the entire parts list, pictures and barcodes, or get detailed information about specific products. Compile any number of products and displays and send them to us in one request, or order everything directly. And with one more click, the display stands on your sales floor. VIDEX Garden, the new B2B platform for DIY and garden centers.